We are going to see a differentiation question. So they have given a function x into e to the power 2x squared plus 2 divided by e to the power 2x. So it feels little complicated, but actually it is a very simple one. So the question is we have to differentiate this. Okay, now see, there are two terms. There are two terms getting added. Okay, right. Okay. So what you can do is take this term and differentiate it. Okay, write it down. What is here? Plus. So put a plus. Again, take this and differentiate it and write it. That's it. That will be the final answer. Okay. Okay. So we'll do one by one. Okay. So before jumping into differentiation, if you see this question, wait. Okay. Um, we'll erase this. Okay. Okay. So if you before jumping into differentiation, if you look at this particular term, what you can do is you can rewrite it. What you can do, you can rewrite it. Let's see, fx equal to x to the power, sorry, x into 2 to the e to the power 2x squared plus, instead of 2 divide by, what you can write is 2 into e to the power, what is here, 2x. So you can write minus 2x. Like if you really didn't understand this, I will explain it very simply. Look at here. Let's say x to the power 3. X to the power 3. Okay. Okay, sorry. X to the power minus 3. Let's say x to the power minus 3. So what is the x to the power 3 means, no? X to the power 3 means x into x into x. That's it. But what is the meaning of x to the power minus 3? X to the power minus 3 means if there is minus in the power, nothing much, 1 over x to the power 3. This is the meaning. For example, let's say x to the power 6. It means 1, sorry, minus 6. X to the power minus 6. It means 1 over x to the power 6. So that is the meaning. So like e to the power minus 2x means 1 over e to the power 2x. You see here, like 2 into 1 over e to the power 2x. It is like this. So we have written like this. Okay, we have put the negative power. So why we have done this? So it will make our differentiation little bit easy. Okay, right. Now we will do the differentiation. Okay, there are two terms. Okay, this is the first term and this is the second term. So we'll differentiate the first term. Okay, we'll write it down. X to the power, sorry, x into 2e to the power 2x squared. Okay, so we have to differentiate this. So the, again, if you look at this, there are two terms. One is x, the other one is e to the power. Okay, the other one is e to the power. So two terms getting multiplied. Two terms getting multiplied. So let's say u is one term. Another term is v. If two terms are getting multiplied, if you want to differentiate it, okay, if you want to differentiate it, the formula for it is differentiate u. Okay, differentiate u. This dash means we are differentiating. Okay, this dash means we are differentiating. So u dash, it means we will differentiate u and we will write the v as it is, plus now we will write the u as it is and we will differentiate v. Okay, so you may like, it feels little uh, complicated, or you may not understand this, but we'll see. Okay, we'll see. X to the power 2x square, no? Okay, so what you have to do is take the x and differentiate it. If you differentiate x, the answer is 1. Okay, if you differentiate x, the answer is 1. Okay, we have differentiated. Now write this as it is, e to the power. So 1 into e to the power 2x square. Okay. Plus, now write the x as it is. It means write the first term as it is. Now differentiate this part. Okay. Now this is like, this one is really little hard for beginners. Okay. nothing hard, but like they may like struggle with this. When e to the power x, if you differentiate e to the power x, the answer is e to the power x. Okay, if you differentiate e to the power x, the answer is e to the power x. If you differentiate e to the power 2x, the answer is what? Okay, the answer is very simple. Whatever here, write it down, e to the power 2x into differentiate what is in the power. Differentiate what is in the power. So what is here in the power? 2x. So if you differentiate 2x, it is 2. So the answer is 2 into e to the power 2x. Actually, here also same. E to the power x means you have to, if you differentiate it, you have to whatever here you have to write it into what is here in the power x. If you differentiate x, what is the answer? 1. So 1 into e to the power x is e to the power x. That's why I didn't tell you, but actually you can do like this. So that's very simple. So to differentiate e to the power things, like whatever e to the power, if there is anything, it is very simple. Whatever here, like for example, let's do our question. Okay, e to the power 2x squared. No, whatever here, write it down, 2x squared into what is in the power? 2x squared. So if you differentiate 2x squared, sorry, if you differentiate 2x squared, you have to take this 2 in front. So 2 into 2x, what is here? 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, whatever here in the power, you have to subtract 1. So 2 into 2x to the power 1, it means 4x. Okay, so 4x. This is the differentiation. Very simple. Whatever here, whatever the e to the power, you have to write it, and you have to multiply it with the differentiation of the power. That's it. Okay, so here we will okay, here we will write x into 4x into e to the power, whatever here we have to write it, 2x square. So this is the differentiation of the first term. Okay, this is the differentiation of the first term. Okay, we'll erase this. Wait, okay. 1 minute. Mm, okay. Give me a second. Okay, right. What is the second term? What is in the question? 2 into e to the power minus 2x. 2 into e to the power minus 2x. This is the second term in the question. So 2 means a number. So you don't need to worry. 2 into means like it is a constant. It is a number. So you don't need to worry. Put the 2. Just what you have to do is you have to differentiate this. Here also like two terms are getting multiplied, but here if you in the first term, if you see, the first one is x into something x. It means here x, here also there is x, here also there is something x, no. So those are two different terms. Here one term is a number, one term is a number. If it is a number, you don't need too much worry. Just 2 into, just differentiate this. So e to the power minus 2x. So as I said, whatever here, write it down. If when it comes to e to the power, whatever here you write it down into what is in the power? Minus 2x. If you differentiate minus 2x, it is minus 2. Okay, if you differentiate minus 2x, this minus 2. If you don't know this, like like if you are a very beginner, I will just tell it simply. For example, if you differentiate x, it is 1. If you differentiate 2x, 2 into, if you differentiate x, what is the answer? 1, no. So 2 into 2, 2. So 2 into 1, 2. So 5x means 5 into, if you differentiate x, 1, no. So 5. So that's it. Okay, minus 2 into x means if you differentiate x, it is 1. So minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Okay, so we will put minus 2 here, and again we will ayo, okay, again we will erase this. Okay. Okay. So the answer is 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 e to the power minus 2x. So we got the differentiation for the two terms. Now what you need to do is See in the question there is plus no. So if you just add it, you will get the final answer. So the final answer is what is here? E to the power 2x squared plus 4x squared into e to the power 2x squared plus, okay, so this is the differentiation for the first part, plus what is here, minus 4 2x, okay. So plus into minus is will plus into minus will become minus, okay. So and also if you see e to the power 2x is there, here also e to the power 2x is there, so 2x squared, here also e to the power 2x squared is there, so you can take it as common, put 1 plus 4x squared, plus into minus is minus 4 e to the power minus 2x. So this is the final answer, okay. So it, as I said, it looks complex but actually it is not, okay. So very very simple. So I hope you understood. Like if you are very beginner to differentiation, this question may like this question and explanation may be little hard to understand. But if you are practicing questions in differentiation, I hope you like, I hope really hope you understood this. So I hope to see you in the next video. See you. Bye.